So what happens when a 50-year empire isn't built on might, but on just a piece of paper?
For the last 50 years, America's power hasn't just been its military. It's been built on something else entirely. It's called the petrodollar system, and it was born from a brilliant and ruthless deal made back in 1974. Okay, so the US offered military protection. In exchange, the world had to use American dollars for oil. See, every country needs oil, and to buy oil, they had to hold US dollars. It created this powerful loop.
A privilege that let Washington print trillions, run massive deficits, and basically sanction anyone they wanted to.
But now, that 50-year-old system, that whole empire, is being systematically taken apart. What we're seeing isn't just a military fight. Think of it as a new toll booth being set up. The new rule is simple. Trade oil in Chinese yuan, you get safe passage. Use dollars, you're on your own.
This is one of the most elegant yet lethal economic traps ever made. They're holding the dollar hostage.
Now you might be thinking, how is this even possible? For years, the West thought it wasn't. They were wrong.
Because for the last decade, China has been quietly building the alternative pipes. It's a system called SIPs.
SIPs is basically their version of the SWIFT network. It's totally separate and designed to be sanctions-proof. And it's fully operational. Just last year, it processed over $24 trillion in transactions.
So what happens when the world doesn't need the dollar for oil? Iran isn't being desperate here. They're just flipping a switch.
To really get the stakes, you have to look at this number. That's the approximate U.S. national debt.
And that debt is only sustainable because the world is forced to buy dollars for oil. That's the key.
Okay, so here's the crucial question. What happens when that second bar, the global demand, starts to shrink? Well, a chain reaction kicks off. That artificial demand for dollars just vanishes. Central banks could start dumping reserves.
And that triggers a debt spiral the U.S. can't just print its way out of. Its challengers know this.
Because if they kill the petrodollar, the U.S. mathematically bankrupts itself. It's not about missiles, it's about math. This isn't about one nation winning. It's a fundamental shift to a new world order. The question is, who holds the cards now?